Hello guys, welcome to the new episode of Biology Concept and NCERT Tricks, and today we'll talk about disorders of digestive system. So first we will see what is digestion. The process of conversion of complex food substances to simple absorbable forms is called digestion. It is carried out by our digestive system by mechanical and biochemical methods. Today we will learn about the disorders of digestive system, and at the end I will give you the tricks to learn all the disorders quickly. Now we will see how these disorders are caused. The inflammation of the intestinal tract is the most common ailment due to bacterial or viral infections. These infections are also caused by the parasites of the intestine like tapeworm, roundworm, threadworm, hookworm, and pinworm. So now we will see the first disorder of digestive system, that is jaundice. In jaundice, the liver is affected and the skin and eyes turn yellow due to the deposit of bile pigment, mainly due to bilirubin. Jaundice has many causes like hepatitis, tumors, and gallstones. Now we will see the next disorder, that is vomiting. Vomiting is the ejection of stomach content through the mouth. This reflex action is controlled by the vomit center in the medulla oblongata. A feeling of nausea precedes vomiting. Now let's move to the next disorder, that is diarrhea. The abnormal frequency of bowel movement and increased liquidity of fecal discharge is known as diarrhea. It reduces the absorption of food. The symptoms of diarrhea may include dizziness, nausea, headache, or fever. Now we will see the next disorder, that is constipation. In constipation, the feces are retained within the colon as the bowel movement occur irregularly. Prolonged constipation leads to hemorrhoids, commonly known as piles. So now we will see how to treat constipation. Constipation can be treated by using magnesium salts like magnesium citrate, magnesium sulfate, and milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia usually not recommended because overuse of this medication may cause persistent diarrhea, dehydration, and even mineral imbalance. We can also use some sugars like sorbitol and lactulose solution for treating constipation. Now we will see the last disorder of digestive system, that is indigestion. In this condition, the food is not properly digested, leading to a feeling of fullness. The causes of indigestion are inadequate enzyme secretion, anxiety, food poisoning, overeating, and spicy food. Now I will tell you the tricks to learn all these disorders quickly. In the current situation, the best trick would be COVID Ja. This means go away COVID. So in COVID, COVID Ja. Ja. CO for constipation, V for vomiting, I for indigestion, D for diarrhea, and Ja for jaundice. So you can learn this trick and you can note it down in your NCERT book. So guys, that's all for today. In my next video, we will discuss about the disorder of breathing and respiration. Till then, take care, do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for latest update.